Okay, we're live again. Sorry, that was dumb. I have never turned on the narrator on accident before, but I guess I haven't pushed those buttons, so I turned off the
Chat
thing.
screen.
No, what? I
Input
thought I turned it
message to
off.
send / generate 95:9 y equals y plus 1
Oh my god.
/ 2 y random.
Turn narrator on and off. It says off. What?
Settings window. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to narrate. Exiting narrator.
Off. I
Setting
want to turn
exiting
it
narrator.
off. What the fuck? It says off. Why is it still talking?
Message
Computer.
to send /
Oh my
generate
god. Is it
95:9 y
Minecraft
equals
narrator? How
y
do I
plus
turn that
game
off?
menu.
When did that even
Use mouse cursor or
What?
tab button to select element.
Control B?
Narrator narrates chat. Narrator
No,
narrator
okay, god.
off.
Thank you, Zeranny. Oh my god. I've never accidentally done that. That's so annoying. Okay. It's the exact same as the narrator on the computer too, so you're just confused. Okay, cool. Alright. So dumb. Do I have, yes I do. I don't want that on this. Alright. God. Let's try that again. Quartz block. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, I've definitely never done that. I didn't even know there was an narrator specifically just for Minecraft. Like, that doesn't even... I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense, but like... How do you activate that on mobile or whatever? It's just the Java edition thing, right? Is that a thing on Bedrock too? I... Wow, I feel like an idiot. Okay. Jeez. Now we can paste that in, and now we got that gradient. So I want to see now. Let's undo that. Let's make a stack of this really quick. Right, sorry. Gotta get rid of the Gmask. Stack. I want to see how different it looks from the other gradient. So let me put that back on. The 9.5, and then whoa, crap. Undo. Gmask. 9.5. Or quartz block. Okay, and then plop that in there. Okay, so for the other gradient. Wait, what? Why didn't that work? Gmask quartz block. Flop that. There we go. Okay. I don't know why that didn't work the first time. Okay, so let's do this from here to here. Or actually, I guess we need to go a little bit higher with the selection. It should be like up here-ish. That's where it ends. And then let's go /set 9.5 hashtag 9 hashtag y. Oh, nope. We need the other way around. Y gradient 9.5 9. Wait. I can never remember how to input it. Where's the RSA on? Okay, oh, there, it's 10. Yeah, okay, you have to put like a number, min and max. Okay, so we should put like, I don't know why I'm not doing this again. Okay, let's just do what it has, 10, 20, what? Y gradient. Is it still the other way around? I just need to put it in the other way. I can never remember how to put this one in. I have an example. Okay, you know what? Do I have it in here? Did I use it for this? Don't remember if we used a Y gradient somewhere. No. Hold on, I have one somewhere that I can actually, yeah, this doc. So, no, did I not? Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, whoops. Oh, dang it. So I put, oh, wait, that's the, right. Never mind. So I remember now. The numbers is the actual like coordinates that you want it to go from. So technically speaking, we just need to look at our thing here. So we go from 145 to 65. So 65 to 145. That's right. Okay, too many arguments. What did we do? Okay. And then it does need to be the other side. Whoops. There. 950. Let's do 9. What? Nope. Okay. Place. Okay. Yeah. Replace works. Okay. That seemed to do the opposite, but that's okay. Wonder if I just do 65 and then 45. See, the good thing about the other command, yeah, that's the same. Okay, cool. The good thing about the other way of doing it, which is the noise function or the generating way, is that you don't have to worry about the coordinates. You can just select the area you want the gradient to go. So that is a lot more helpful, I think, than trying to do it with, or trying to have to input the coordinates in. Always easier to just do it in a selection, that's for sure. So again, there is another way to do this, but this one, I gotta say, I would say this is the easier way. With creating a cylinder, I think, or even like a fun cylinder, I think just regular world edit is kind of still easier, personally. But that's just me. And I'm sure we'll find a bunch more that are a lot easier to make with this than it would be with regular world edit. So anyway, let's get on to all the coordinate systems. I think we're going to go probably through this and get down to this stuff here, and then we're probably going to end like here, because I don't want to go much further than that. But yeah, okay. So coordinate systems. Generate command additionally gives you the options to have other coordinate systems as well. So generate minus coordinate pattern expression. So no argument is normalized coordinates range -1 to 1. Yeah, we talked about that. And it's just the regular x, y, z. Will mostly be decimal numbers, not integers. On the right is an image of how you should think about your selection. Okay, so these all, so yeah, they're all -1 to 1 essentially, for no argument. All sides. So it uses a game coordinate system, so -r. So I just want to see, where are we putting the minus stuff? Is that, do we have an example with that here? G data, no. Okay, I don't know where an example of the -r is yet, so we'll just wait. Use the game coordinate system just like an expression mask, so no modification to the coordinates. So if your selection would be post 1 at that coordinate and post 2 at that coordinate, then x, y, z would be the integers in the example. So essentially just between those two coordinates, I assume. And it's just filling in for those blocks. Okay, and then origin -c is origin placed at the center. Makes sense. C for center. So -r is the regular coordinate like selection system. So it's just using the post 1, post 2 as your thing. And then -c is the center. So origin is placed at the center of your selection, but no normalized scaling. So the range values depends on the size of your selection. So if your selection is 9, 9, 9, 9 by 9 by 9, then your x by z will be integers between -4 and 4, as shown. The larger your selection, the larger the range is. Okay, that's kind of what I figured would be the case. So, not sure. That doesn't make any sense. Why is it not like -3 to 3 or something like that? Why 4? Not sure I understand why that. Like what? Because 4 doesn't even divide into 9. Like that doesn't make sense to me. So like, why is that? Or how is that the center? I guess. I don't know. Whatever. We'll just move on. Origin placed. I'm not really looking at the chat right now. My bad. I covered up my thing. There we go. Okay. -4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 are 9. Oh. Got it. Okay. Okay. Got it. That helps a lot. Thank you. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay. So yeah, this essentially 9 numbers between this. You should put that in a little little blurb down here. I think that would help actually. Because that's definitely important to know why it's like that. So it's basically making an even amount of negative and positive numbers based on how big your selection is. So if it's like, if it was 10, it would just be add another number to the one of the ends, I guess. Or yeah, I guess if it's an odd, or no, wait, yeah, if it's odd, that doesn't make sense. I don't know. Does it do like 0.5 if it's an odd number or something like that? Like 10? Because that would be, or would it just do like -5 to 4 or something like on one of them? Okay, hey, I think I'm getting too focused on that. If it's even, it puts 2 zeros. Oh, okay. It just adds another 0. Okay, interesting. Pay attention. To which coordinate system is used in the following examples? Sometimes it is more useful to run with normalized coordinates and sometimes with the center. Okay. Type and data. I think I kind of get it. So like normalized sounds like I'm just going to go down to these pictures down here. So normalized sounds like this one down here. At least that's what I would think. Or not this one, I guess. So like from left to right. But this is also just that other, this stuff again, right? But with colors thrown in. So, okay, let's just not skip ahead here. Did we skip this? No, I didn't skip this. Okay. Or did I? No. Okay. No, I went down too far. Okay. Okay. So type, yeah. Type in data, output. While previously we were only returned true or false to indicate whether, wow, that's a fancy whether, a block should be placed or not. Generate has 2 more option types and data. These 2 values specify which block to place. Now, you might say that's the same thing as pattern argument of the command. But remember, the expression is evaluated for each block separately. So we can make expressions that choose the pattern on a per block basis. Okay. Not sure if I quite understand all that yet, but we'll just keep going. See if it falls together. If you are familiar with the legacy block IDs, yes, very. You know that all blocks from 1.12 and before assign a unique number, different states, yeah, and whatever, yeah, okay. We know about all that stuff. It's just it's the 950 or 9 that I just put for the color for the glass, essentially. Okay, so you're not following that. So generate stone type 95 data equals 2 true. So do the data equals true is from what? Hold on. What is the data equals true doing? Is that just like, or 2? I mean, not true. Note that because the 2 variables we overwrite stone pattern now because they're just variables, we can assign any expression we want. Oh, yeah, I could just read the data too. Means type, okay. Oh, okay, that's saying you want 2, right? So let's see, generate. I think I get that. So that's saying 952, right? Essentially, that's all it's saying, I would assume. So we just do that, and we do generate 2. Oh, I need to get rid of the Gmask, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so 2 is magenta, right? Yeah. So now if we let's do 9 again. That should overwrite it. Yep, nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that is just it's essentially like doing /set 959. That's what I just did. All that is just to do /set 959, essentially. which it sounds kind of ridiculous when you put it like that, because again, there are some things that are easier to do, you know, not with generate, but the point of generate is to do some complex stuff, not easy stuff. So this is where we get into here. So unfortunately, we can only assign numbers to these variables, meaning that we cannot directly generate the blocks from newer versions as they do not have an assigned ID, right? So yeah, the unfortunate part about that is stuff like this. So like, I'm actually, wait, I'm curious, because, so, oak planks is 5, right? So, 5 used to be the last of the oak planks, because that was back in 1.12. We only had dark oak as 5.5. Do we have 5.6? No, wait, unless this is petrified. No, it's just plank. Or like 5.7? Yeah, no, those don't exist. Okay, so yeah, it really is. It does still. Yeah, so that is a thing, which is dumb. They really could have easily just made like new expressions or just new numbers for it anyway. I know they wanted to be like, oh, there's names, use the names. But guess what? There is a problem with just using the names in IDs and stuff, because if you have commands that are long enough and you start using like enough like different blocks in one singular command, and you have to type out the entire block, and especially when blocks can be like, I don't know, set oak stairs, and just look at this. You could put all of this different stuff in here, and all of these you could put like different little things to them too. So facing east, you could put half is bottom, you know, and this is just one block. Right? You can have it waterlogged. You can have the shape being like a corner or whatever. So like, yeah, you want it to be an inner left corner or whatever. You want it, you know, it starts getting very long when you have to use names. So I think it's dumb that Minecraft did that. That's all. I'm just trying to put that out there. Because obviously, yeah, and you can also put like waterlogged equals true. And yeah, I just want to set this because this is kind of ridiculous. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. So, just a thing to point out. Yeah, it sucks that they stopped doing the data values essentially. Okay, so let's make a new selection here for the other stuff. Let's move away from our other thing there. Okay, so this is, here we use the concrete 251 as our pattern, yeah. The color variations are accessed with the data variable, 0, from is to 1, orange, yeah. I already know all the colors, I don't need the ID sheet. First, let's observe a few quirks. If you only do data equals x true, there was a slice of black glazed terracotta on the right. This happens because at the slice x equaled -1, and so world edit interpreted data equals -1 as using a type of 250 instead. So it's essentially just getting the data number wrong, essentially. Note the reason why we had one slice is because the type and the data variable are always rounded down before they are used. Choose the block. The data 3.75 is the same as 3. Okay, so always rounded down. So it could be like 3.99 is still going to be 3. That's wild. Chat length limit is the biggest pain. Yeah, exactly. That's my biggest complaint with their refusal to make block ID numbers instead of just block names for every block. And they could have easily just continued. It's not like it's not like you can run out of numbers. Like, I don't know why they just decided that it's better that they're just names now. It's like nobody actually likes that. You realize that, Minecraft, right? Doesn't really help anybody. Just makes things more confusing. So you have to remember names instead of numbers now, which numbers are probably a little easier to remember in general. You just have to remember 1 through, I don't know, 1,000. And you just got to remember that this block has, you know, a second data number or whatever, like 95, you know, 1 through or 0 through 15. Anyway, I yeah. Anyway. Okay, so yeah, this black one is the negative one that they were just talking about. So now let's talk about why we need to do x equals x plus 1 divided by 2. So yeah, that's this first part of the equation here. I assume that has something to do with the slicing it, like a cake. And x times 15. So I assume, before I even read this, the x times 15 is just the data values going from 0 to 15. Essentially. But anyway, we know that g /g in g, the g command, generate, the x will be between or equal to -1 and 1. Yep. But if we want to display all colors of concrete, we need to set data range 0 to 15. Yep, just like I was literally just talking about. And we can achieve this by mapping -1 to 1 to 0 to 1. Or -1, 1, yeah, and then 0 to 1, with x plus 1 divided by 2. And then scaling 0 to 1 to 0 to 15 with x times 50. Okay, so essentially, this first part, the x plus 1 divided by 2. So I was right about this essentially just telling it to do all the data values. But I guess I'm curious if... So it has to be that because it's essentially just saying, okay, go to 0, start at 0, and then this time x times 15 is saying, okay, instead of going to 1, now you're going to 15. Okay, so it's essentially this is just all the data stuff. Like this x plus 1 divided by 2 has nothing to do with anything other than the data values being between 0 and 15. So yeah, it is kind of weird that they're not quite even. Like some of them are 3 and some of them are 2. Is it wait, is it 3 2 3 2 at least? No, it's 3 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2. Okay, so the end is where it messed up again. But then of course this end also messes up. I'm curious why it's 3 2 3 2 and then so this actually makes sense because it should be 2. It's just I assume it's like the same thing except the opposite on that end with white. That was being talked about up here, essentially. Okay, so we'll just mess around with this stuff, and then we'll go and build some trees or something. Because, yeah. Okay. If you use this pattern, for example... Okay. So... I didn't even read this part. This way of using data output color, your generated structure is something you should remember as it's an easy and flexible way to color. We can actually use this to recreate the visualizations from before. Yeah, yeah, this is what you were talking about, these visualizations. So we're literally gonna put these in the game now. You ready for this? Here we go. All right, so this one, again, I assume, so the x plus z plus 2 divided by 4, and then the times 15.99 is all just for the data. And that's all just saying go from instead of from this side, it's saying go from the corner to corner instead of, or I think the x plus z is what's telling it to go from corner to corner instead of just x to x. So it's going from x to z instead of just on the x, if that makes sense. All right, I need to drink some water. Whoops. Hold on. I don't even know if I copied this. Okay, copy that. Make a better selection than that. Boom, boom. And then plop that in there. Yeah, nice. So yeah, again, this one, the only thing that's changing is we're adding in the z coordinate essentially, and then we have to add in divided by 4. I assume because there's another coordinate on there, but I'm not actually sure. 1, 2, 3. How do you change the width of the blocks? The width between blocks, essentially. So how would I make it like 1 block? Or is it... Oh, wait. Would it literally just be if I do like a thinner selection? So like if I just go from like here to here instead, will it try to do... Or no, let's go even thinner. Will it do it with less? Yeah, okay, it does depend on the selection. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Yeah, so if you want a thin lined pattern there, then you got to make your selection smaller. That's good to know. Okay. And then, of course, now we can get into more coordinates again. So we're essentially doing, let's go up to this, x plus z times z. And we're doing that cylinder thing, essentially. So we're making a cylinder, but this time we're doing it with colors. So it's, again, this is something that's actually useful because this is where you can start putting in really specific colors instead of just the whole rainbow, of course. And I think, yeah, I mean, obviously you can use it to make a gradient as well. Like it's showing down here. You can just replace the stuff later on with the blocks you want. Yeah, good way to texture stuff for sure. So let's plop that x plus x plus z times z. And yeah, again, so I think this is another one of those ones. It depends on how wide our selection is. So let's make our selection pretty wide here and just see what that looks like with that bigger selection. Yeah, so that puts a bigger gap between the colors there and stuff. That's pretty cool. Looks like an egg. An Easter egg. Okay. So yeah, I want to see something really quick. We'll just replace this one. If we make it not 15 and we make it like 14, I just want to go down one number. Is that going to get rid of a color? Yeah, I think that should get rid of black, right? And then if we get rid of 14, we go down another one. We go down to 13, that should get rid of red. Yep, cool. I was right. So essentially you can get rid of one color at a time like that. Not really sure. I mean, I guess you could just make another data value, right? You could just like do this, just copy this and put another one that's like 10 or something. I don't know if what that's gonna do, honestly. Okay, so it just read this one and it was like, yeah, this one takes priority. So putting 2 on there meant nothing. I thought it might like go from the outside in or something. Here, I'm curious how you would you just do that? Would you just put the 1 on the other side? 1. Oh, whoa, boy. Whoa. Them some symbols. All right. No, that doesn't work, just putting the 1 on the other side. Though you can put the 1 on the other side, it looks like. I mean, it works, but it's not what I thought was going to happen. Yeah, I'm curious. Can you put, or can you like invert it? Can you make it so white is on the outside and black is on the inside for these? I mean, it looks like that's what this one is essentially doing. Or is it? Okay, so this one's more 3-dimensional unlike the other ones, so we want to actually definitely do a 3-dimensional selection there. Plop that in. Why is it red? That's not good. Hold on. Let me make sure I selected it all properly. Oh yeah, I didn't get the slash. That's why it's red. Okay, there we go. Let's plop that in. Bam. Okay. Oh, that's interesting looking. That's a pretty cool pattern. That's pretty useful, actually. That's pretty cool. Wait, where's white? Why does it only go to green? It only makes it down to green. Does the selection just have to be like massive for there to be white in there or something? feel like that can't be the case. But we'll just try doing a really big selection just to see what it looks like. Oh, let's go to like here. I don't think that's the case because yeah. Did it paste something? Okay, hold on. Try it one more time. Well, let's try it. Just putting the command in one more time just to make sure. White is on the... Oh! Got it. Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool. Let's do this out of 9.5 then, because that'll look cool. Okay, I think it's just that the server's not keeping up or something, because now I can't even input commands. Great, okay. Okay, well, I was flying into something. All right, let's just relog real quick. Aw, the lag. Classic. That's pretty neat. Looks like a Brazilian flag a little bit. Okay. So yeah, I want to do this out of 9.5 because that'll look cool. For sure. Wait, let's do it up here. Let's do it with the fun stuff up here. Closer to the other crap. Let's do it in one of these. Just do like a small box. That way we can try to make it a little bit more perfect of a cube. At the very least. Oops, tab, fix. There we go. Oh, it still didn't. There we go, okay. Alright. Oh, wait, let me undo that, and then change this to 9.5. Nice. Oh, yeah. Let's go into spectator mode and... Oh, that's cool. Is it... Wait, is that... Does it make it hollow? Hold on. No. This is a block. Yeah, okay, it's not hollow. Okay, just making sure. I'm gonna do that command again just because I want that one block to go back. Alright. Wait, what? Did I accidentally change the selection? I guess I accidentally did at some point there. Let's undo that. Okay. Whoops. Okay, and yeah, of course we can use those to replace with those if we want to make a gradient or whatever, which is pretty awesome actually, and that would be really useful if I can go, wait, what is it, home gradients or something like that? Yeah, no, grid, no, that's not what I want. What did I, color palette? Yeah, this stuff. Because I mean, I just like put a bunch of different color palettes and stuff together. But yeah, that would be very useful for this stuff. I've got some black and white gradients there, but those aren't as useful as some of these other ones. Yeah, obviously I just put in literal color wheels into Spritecraft and threw them in the game to see what it would look like. I think this one looks the coolest, but it doesn't really work for anything. And yeah, you can make some nice little lines of color if you just kind of go in. Anyway, yeah, I think we're gonna end the doc for today, and we're gonna go do some stuff at the forest. I want to go to the terrain. I think most of the terrain is pretty much ready. Oh, not this terrain. I want to go to the mountains. So. Like this stuff, we can definitely turn this stuff into schematics, and we'll use all these for sure. I don't think I'm gonna use that blob. Yeah, definitely use this middle one, that one, and then we're gonna use all these over here. Okay, yeah. So we're just gonna spend a little bit of time making some schematics, and we're gonna try to actually. Oh, hey. How's it going? Use // size to check whether world edit is working. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's working. Now it is anyway. Oh yeah, that was because of the whole lag thing. It was just lag. All right, so let's grab. I mean, let's go from the corner over here so I don't get lost. And then we'll put like some red block or just put a glass block above it or something. Once we've created it, so let's copy it closer to it just in case. Copy, skim, save, fant, forest, mount _0. Okay. And then we could just add up from there. I think I'm going to do cell poly for a lot of these. This one, well, we can do cuboid for this one. It looks like some of them I'm going to have to do poly, though. Go around them. Boom. I don't want to over-select it too much. It's never a good thing. Copy it. Whoa, the lag is real. Skim, save, 1. Okay, so yeah, this one I'm gonna have to do a cell poly on. We'll start it over here. Boom. 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 Okay. Copy. 2. Easy peasy. Can I get this? I think we can get this actually with the cuboid. Okay, boom. Boom. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I wanted to. Ooh, that would be kind of cool to do some of the noise functions on the mountains and then use that gradient. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. Make some rainbow mountains. Ooh. I have an idea. I have something I really want to try because, well, you'll see. I need to find the build though because yeah. Let me finish copying these and then we'll get to it. But yeah, there's definitely something I want to try. So 3. Okay, so got those 3. I think we didn't get this one yet. I'll just get the ones that are on this stone part here, and then I'll show you what I'm trying, what I'm talking about, and what I want to try. It's gonna be very interesting. We'll see. No, wait. Oop, we gotta copy it first. 4. Okay, and then we'll just do this one because I don't like the other lumps there. Though this one might actually be a useful lump. Like if we just get from surface level here. But nah. It's alright. It's just gonna make it harder because it's way shorter. Okay. Copy. 5. Okay. So, let me go somewhere really quick in the server. I can show you some of it. So home to all of me things, and I need to go and find the tree thing. Sorry, some of the stuff is still confidential. I can't show you everything. Around here. Just need to find my galaxy. Oh wait, no, I don't have it on here. Right. Crap. Let's go back then. Let me okay. So I wanted to try and put one of my god trees on here. Which really I should still be able to do. We just need to find the schematics for them somewhere. I got them somewhere. Delete that. Choose file. Let me just go here. iCloud. Okay. God tree back. Okay. Well, I can show you guys what I'm looking at now. So I'm just looking for the schematics of them. God tree back. World rendering stuff. No, that's screenshots. Schematics, there we go. Nope, that is... I don't know which ones these are, but sure. Let's just see what let's see what happens. Is anybody else annoyed about Google Chrome not having like an actual highlighted thing anymore? Like up here, when you highlight it, it's just like it turns it white instead of actually showing that it's highlighted. It's really dumb. Am I the only one that's annoyed by that? Probably. Alright, let's see what this tree looks like. No idea which two trees these are, honestly. It'll work. Let's paste it a little higher up so we get the roots in there. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the fun one, this one. In theory, I could just skip down to some of the more fun stuff, but I'm not gonna do that yet. We're gonna just use what we got so far, what we've learned just so far. Copy that. It keeps throwing the bookmark over it. I can't actually see what it says, but it's fine. Okay, so let's select this. Boom, and I think this is spruce, or is this dark oak? It's spruce, okay. Gmask, spruce, wood. And then plop that in there. And watch the magic happen. Rainbow tree. Which is probably better than the rainbow tree that I made originally. Well, that didn't seem to work. Why didn't that work? Oh, okay, it's just taking a while. Ah, there we go. Yes. Yes. Rainbow tree. Let me do 9.5 because that always looks cooler. For sure. Insta rainbow tree. No problem. I love this noise function stuff. I'm so glad you guys made this doc. You guys are awesome, by the way. Thank you for this. Don't think I've said that enough, honestly. Keep getting a text and it's just annoying me. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that looks literally exactly like the rainbow tree. Okay, now I have to load in the rainbow tree to show you guys because this is uncanny. I could have made the rainbow tree in a snap. It took me like hours to make it because I colored every one of them by hand, every color by hand. Yeah, would you download again? Oh, I didn't need to do it again. Whoops, that's okay. No. Okay, choose file. Okay, let's go back to here and see if I can find the actual one that I'm trying to find here. So oak, I know it's one of the special ones. Overview. Let me look at the overview thing. Do I not have preview on? I guess I don't have preview on. Let me just open it. What? No. Ah, that's not what I meant to do. Crap. Oh, crap. That's why, because I was in choosing a file. Okay. Let me copy that and open a new folder so I can actually see this. Okay. What is this? Okay, here we go. So the rainbow tree is special 1.2, except I don't see special in here. I see dead, oak, willow. What the heck is special? Well, that's annoying. Let me just search Pluto underscore, oops. Special underscore, is it 1-2? No, I want to search everywhere. Go back to here and then search that. No, really? Let me just search special. Nope, that's, well, That is this. That is it. Okay, that's special 1-1. Where's 1-2? Okay, there we go. Let me How do I get to this path? How do I copy the path? Copy address. Here we go. Pop it in there. Okay, what? Window can't find it. Why? I just copied it from a folder. Copy address as text. No, see, yeah, it's putting all the percent crap in front of it. Why? Whatever. Just search it in this one too. I don't understand Windows sometimes. It's like people say it's easier, and it's like it screws everything up when you search things. It's like it puts all this percent crap in there, and it's just like, what? I still want to see the actual path, not the path you took to search for it. Why is it not finding anything? Go in here. Let's get special. There, 1-2. This one. Open. Okay. Jeez, that took forever. Copy, ploppity. Paste minus A. Okay, and this is the actual rainbow tree. Let's see how much better noise functions was able to do it. I might have a G mask on, that's why. Oops. Let's try that again. There we go. I mean, honestly, it's not that much better. Like the one I made originally. Noise function did the job pretty well, and I'm sure there's definitely, we can just scroll down to like this command right here, and I'm pretty sure this would make it even better. Let me actually undo 2, because I think that no, undo 1 more. There we go. Okay, yeah, I want to have that there again. Is that, and then we'll paste the regular one back in. And then, whoops, a little higher up. Undo, paste minus A. Okay, and then we'll select that again. We'll use this one, even though we haven't actually gone over this yet. But I wanna get the more fun colors in there, because rainbow tree. I mean, if this one doesn't look better than that tree, then that's just kind of ridiculous, actually. Whoops, just did second position twice. Boom, boom. Okay, let's make this full screen now. Hey, that kind of looks like that. That's funny. Anyway. Oh wait, we need to go G mask spruce. Wood. And then we plop that in there. Whoops. That's, wait, what? Hold on. I'm not selected right or something. Deform. Nope. Oh, it's because it's deform. It's creating the, yeah. Dumb. Well, you're also, oh, you're just replacing stuff. Yeah, you're not actually using that as a, okay, fine. Yeah, you're using it as a thing. How do I get that waveform in there then? Where's that command? Set. That's a little too. Okay, well, I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh, here we go. This is the one that we want. Yeah. We just need to make this 9.5. There we go. Okay. Now we can see just how good noise functions can be. Because this is something that I made a long time ago, and I did enjoy making it when I made it. It was an experience, but obviously I think when I originally made this, I just made it all one color, and then I Gmask that color, and then I would just make like spots of that. Then I would like Gmask another color and make spots on that or whatever. And, yeah. I don't know. It took forever though. Okay, did I not select it properly or something? Or is it just, I think it's just taking forever because it hasn't given us any executed the command thing yet. Okay. I'm very excited. The anticipation is killing me. I think this is the same. Is this the same tree? No, it's not. Just looks, got the same like angle and everything. I think the rainbow tree is much bigger though. Yeah, for sure. It's also got a lot more roots going on. Oh wait, no, we just did first position again. That means world edit is working. We need to hold on. Let's reselect this and go. Boom. Generate. Oh, whoops. I left it as 3.5 instead of 9.5. Damn it. Well, if it actually does it, we'll let it do it and then undo it because I don't know why it's not doing anything right now. Gmask, spruce, wood. Okay, it's not showing the Gmask executing thing, so it is thinking about doing something, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Okay, undo it. Ooh, that's gonna look fun. That's for sure. I think let's make the selection kind of as tight as possible. I don't really care about the leaves, so that's fine. Yeah, we're above that. Cool. And that is going to change the size of the lines and stuff, of course. So there's that. Now, like this 9.5. Now we should have progress. 2 million blocks. Oh yeah. Looks like a mesa biome, but on a tree. And made out of rainbows. I like how the center is just like a big chunk of white. Place. Ooh, wait. Let's do oak leaves with 35. Replace oak, or no. We just need a Gmask oak leaves. Gmask oak leaves. And then let's go up to here and do this one as 35. Oh my god, it's taking forever to go like that. Okay. I really want to see what this looks like. Oh, it's so laggy though. I won't lie. It's killing my frame rate. I need to, yeah, let's turn down the render distance a little bit and see if that helps. Oh man. Ooh, it's still killing my frame rate for sure. Let's see. Come on, F3, come up. There we go. What is my FPS at? Oh yeah, a solid 9-10 frames a second. Good stuff. Oh man. Hey look, my signature. I wonder if I put the signature in this one. I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't put a signature in this one. I would have either put it up here or down there. Probably down there if I would have. But yeah, I guess I didn't put it on that one. Either way, I do that on my trees just in case, you know. If somebody ever wants to say, "Oh, look at what I made," I can be like, "Nah, dude. I see the thing. You did make that." All right. Anyway, doesn't seem like it did it. I think I might have messed it up with the selection. Let's try to make the selection as tight as possible again. First, second. Okay. Should still have the Gmask on. Pretty sure it's just oak leaves on this too. It shouldn't be any other kind of leaf I have to replace. Wait, did it do it? It said it did something there, but I don't think that did anything. Demask oak. Ah, if I can type. Oak leaves. Okay, it clearly just did not work that time. I don't know what's going on here. These are oak leaves, right? Yeah, they're oak leaves. Okay. Just, I don't know why it's not working. Let's try to select it again. It's over selected. Okay, there we go. Never mind. Okay, finally. Oh, that's cool. Very laggy, but cool. Very cool. I like that you can see like the streaks and stuff in it, like from certain angles, and then like some of it just looks like, you know, blob in the background. Like that over there in the distance just looks like blob. But then I'm guessing if we kind of go over to it, you know, yeah, it's a little more of a rainbow streak and stuff going on. This is really cool. I love it. It's laggy, but I love it. Here's your pride tree. I love it. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and post it, I think. Rainbows. Let's take one from this side and one from the other side. Kind of call it a day. All right. Well, I've had some fun today, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this as well. But I think we're going to end it up here today. So yeah, with that, I am sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Thanks again to Zeranny and Aztacred for the lovely, awesome, very useful, honestly, noise function stock. It's taken a while to get through it, but we'll get through it eventually. We're already on page 23. We're like 2/3 of the way through, or not 2/3, 1/3 of the way through, I think. How many pages are there? Like 60 something or something like that. Up to the top, and you can see. Yeah. Oh no, there's 100. Never mind. We're like 20% of the way through. Cool. We can just tell exactly how far along we are, by the page, basically. So yeah, look forward to that next week, of course. Same time, same place, and yeah. Thanks again for watching. Pluto out.